and welcome to Victelli BTV, where we're going to share with you the business around fitness. Today we're going to chat about how to invest to increase your profits. And I know what you're thinking, whoa, did I just turn into a financial station to learn about stocks and bonds? No, you didn't. Today we're going to chat about investing in your people. So every club owner out there knows that you have to hire the best people to run your facilities and to generate a profit. So we're going to share with you some tips today on how to invest successfully so that you can generate a profit with your facility. Now, when it comes to hiring your people, your first step is diversify. So what do I mean by that? I mean, you may want to look beyond our industry of fitness and wellness to find great people. So example, let's use your sales department. When you're looking for successful, high energy salespeople to run your facility, check out Beyond Fitness and Wellness. So here's an example. Let's say you go to a restaurant with your family and you have a server that's amazing, great personality, high energy, super fun. If you really like them, why don't you ask them if they're looking for other work? Of course, don't say that too loud because the kitchen manager or the restaurant manager might hear you. But that might be a perfect fit for your facility, because here's what we know. You can train somebody in a skill set, but you can't train personality. So when you're looking to diversify and have great employees within your facility and within your organization, look beyond our industry. Find someone out there that you find engaging, has great customer service and great skills, hire them, and then you can teach them the sales. And here's our second tip. Once you've hired the best people to work for your organization, you can invest in them by helping them create their benchmarks. So now that you've hired the best team, bring them in and make sure you have great communication and share with them the benchmarks and help them goal set. So as an example, share with your team your expectations of the job. Share with your team the vision of the company, what you expect them to do. Then sit down and have them write down the expectations of the job, and then ask them their goals. What do they want to achieve within the organization? What do they want to excel within their position? Write those all down and make sure you check in on an annual or biannual basis so everyone is clear on the benchmarks. And here's what's great. When someone sets a goal and they reach it, they feel very successful. If they feel successful, they're really going to feel like they're part of your team and a part of the organization. They feel like they're an integral part of your facility, of your team, and they're going to work harder and they're going to stay with you longer. And then our third tip, show some love. What do I mean by show some love? No, don't get all inappropriate. What I mean is, how about a shout out? So say you walk into your childcare and you have somebody working there that's doing an amazing job. Why don't you stop and pause and say, hey, Lori, you're doing an amazing job today. Thank you for all you do. I really appreciate you. You know, a compliment goes a long way. And I'll also share with you other tips that you can do to show the love. And I'm gonna give you the example of Panera Bread. At Panera Bread, when you exhibit great customer service and a customer writes in, then you receive what they call a Panera Hug, and it's a pin. And you can put it on your hat, you can put it on your shirt, you can put it on your apron, so all of the other customers that can come in can see the recognition. They have it's either a weekly or a monthly meeting, and they pass out these hugs. So you're actually recognizing your employees in front of everybody, and that makes them feel great. So again, show some love. So those are some tips that you can use to invest in your employees. And if you invest in your employees and they feel like you're part of the team and they feel like they're part of your organization, they're gonna stay with you a long time. When they stay with you a long time, they're gonna connect with your members, they're gonna generate a rapport with your members, and everyone is gonna be with you for a very long time. So, thank you for tuning in today to Victelli BTV, where you're gonna find the business around fitness. Hey, before you go, hit subscribe, hit like, because I'm super funny, and leave us a comment on how you invest in your employees. And lastly, join us next Wednesday, July 10th at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, where we're doing a webinar on how to invest to increase your profits. And we're gonna go into detail on the notes that I shared with you today and give you some great examples. Hooah! Hey! I was gonna say BCC peeps, but you're not BCC peeps, you're Victelli B peeps. How do we start? Hey! We're gonna talk about investing in your resources